You asked for it and we listen. Your request has been heard and acted upon. The Maiden edition of Islamic Personality Award is finally here. Now, join us as we celebrate the heroes of our time, the changemakers, happening live on 2nd November 2023 at the National Theatre, Accra. Come and witness the anxiety, the beautiful drama, and the race for the ultimate prize. Who wins what? Who gets crowned? Join us as we congratulate our champions. I will be there. You should be there too. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Celebrating under the theme, a partnership and building an auspicious future, the role of the Muslim. For enquiries, contact these following numbers: 050-3022-994, 0262-570-481. IPA 2023. Brought to you by Halal Incorporation. Sponsored by Media Partners.